I wanted to go back in time and do this 90s Bollywood makeup look, which is very heavy on the eyes and has this gorgeous bronzed look going on, and it was so fun and so simple. So let's go. First of all, a boost of hydration. We need to make sure that our makeup is still hydrated and not greasy at all. I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Water Glow Primer. Next, we do the foundation. For the Indian Desi look, we need a good amount of bronzer, and I love this part. This is my favorite part. I'm using shade Truffle from Westman Atelier. I don't think I need bronzing on my eyelids. I already have that hyperpigmentation going on that we usually have. A little bit around my nose. I'm going to snatch it out, and this that we're going to conceal using a fluffy brush. I don't want this product to settle in the wrinkles and later look patchy. I never fill my eyebrows. I rarely do that, but Desi brows are always filled and properly made. There is no such thing as those feathered brows. Taking the shade 4.5 by Benefit brow pencil. I have this natural brown going on, and Desi makeup always includes that bronze look. So for the crease part, I'm going to use a rusty shade, and then for the lids, I'm going to use a brown simple shade. Just dragging it from the corners a little bit, so it has that still snatched shade brown that I already had going on. Next, I'm going to take this very thin eye brush and use the same brown under my eyes. Desi eye look is usually very heavy. I'm used to very light makeup, but this is looking nice. Taking a little bit of my MAC Studio Loose Fix powder, adding to the high shine areas. I'm using Shiso LA by Patrick Ta on top of my bronzer, the powder part, to set the whole bronze look. This will keep your bronzer in place throughout the day or night. For blush, I'm using Coco Loco by Huda Beauty. Very pigmented, so I have to be very careful, and I'm adding it to the back of my hand first, starting with the little, because it's a bit reddish brown copper shade. This is perfect for that Desi makeup look. In all Desi Bollywood movies, they have this heavy black eye makeup going on, waterlining it till here. I'm going to eyeline my whole upper lid. I'm gonna go heavy on the eyes, but look at that eyeliner. One blush is never enough for me, so next I'm going with the Intense Berry by Armani Beauty. My hands have a thing of their own going on while I do my makeup. For the lips, they have a very brown beige mauve look going on, so I'm going to use Pillow Top Medium. I'm using Lip Contour by Huda Beauty in Honey Beige. Then using Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk in the middle of my lips. I promise this is going to be my last blush. It's the Blush Baby by MAC. I'm going to add it here. Using the Dior Backstage palette, I'm going to use a beauty blender and add a little bit of highlight up here on my face. I don't want too much for this look. And of course, to the inner corner of my eyes. Let's not forget the lashes, because that's the most important part for this look. Using the Lash Clash YSL mascara. Completing the whole look with a setting spray, I'm using Airbrush Flawless by Charlotte Tilbury. And this is done. Let me know how I did, because I love this old 90s Bollywood look. It's heavy on the eyes, not something that I'm comfortable with, but it looks so good. I think it looks good.